Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Sulhilmi bin Nazri. My matric number is 27281-873. Today I want to present about family Takaful. First of all, I want to present about the introduction of family Takaful. Takaful is a concept of Islamic insurance and is rooted in ta'awun and tabaru, which mutual assistance and voluntary contribution respectively. In Takaful, a group of individuals collectively share the risk and operates on the concept of unity, collectively responsibility, brotherhood and mutual collaboration. Takaful also provides share financial security to people against risk. This paper need to explore the determining factors of family Takaful demand. The determinants of family Takaful demand in Malaysia has been analysed with determinant factors which are income, education, awareness and knowledge on Takaful, religious adherence, performance of Takaful operators, marketing and advertising, product and its benefit, age, and reputation and image. These determinants factors may prove helpful for Takaful participants and operators to formulate suitable strategies accordingly in order to increase family Takaful
Good day
demand.
everyone, my name is Madya Dr and my matric number is 255373. I would like to present about family Takaful. Family Takaful is similar to conventional insurance companies. Takaful operator offer both general Takaful and family Takaful products. General Takaful is an alternative for general insurance, while family Takaful is an alternative for life insurance. Definition: a long-term investment and saving. Purpose: providing protection to the participant family by mutual fund while participant involved in the event of death. Goals: they are three. First, regularity, save the contribution of the fund. Next, as an investment to gain profit. Third, assistance in financial. Concept and principle: participant will undertake a contract card for the part of contribution to it in the form of participative contribution tabaru and other part for saving and investment. There are two accounts. First, participant special account and participant account. Participant special account, where the contribution in the form of tabaru will be placed, used to fulfill obligation of mutual heir should any of the participants face a misfortune arising from the death or permanent disability. While for the participant account, in the saving and investment contribution, profit will be shared between the participant and Takaful operator according to a pre-agreed ratio. There are some main characteristics in family Takaful plan. First, it's a long-term contract with usual level of contribution. Each signing party must perform the duty of utmost good faith. Third, it's a unilateral contract, must have permissible Takaful interest. Contract ends upon claim settlement and risk to be covered increases with time. Family Takaful benefit depend on the maturity period, the amount of contribution that he has agreed to make and profit, if any, earned from the investment of his contribution. Benefit if the participant survive until the maturity period. From his PA, total amount of Takaful installment and the share of profit. From the PSA, the net surpluses from the last valuation of the PSA. Benefit if the participant dies before the maturity period. From SPA, the total amount of installment paid by the deceased from the inception date to the due date of installment payment prior to his death and his share of profit. From his PSA, the outstanding Takaful installment calculated from the date of death to the date of maturity of his plan. Type of family Takaful plan: there are two plans under the family Takaful: individual family Takaful and group family Takaful. For the individual family Takaful, there are three plans. First is ordinary, next retirement, the third one is investment linked. Differentiation between family Takaful and conventional life. Contract. Family Takaful is a tawaru and tawun contract, while conventional life is a sale and purchase contract. Right and obligation of the parties. It's a joint guarantee where the participant pays contribution and take precaution to safeguard himself. For the conventional life, insurer has to pay compensation to the insured, while the insured have to pay the premium. For the risk ownership, family Takaful participants bear the risk. For the conventional life, insurer bear all the risk. Operation. For family Takaful, they restrict the element of riba, gharar and maisir in their operation, while for conventional life, they engage with non-sharia investment exercises. Family Takaful nominee status receives the benefit only as an administrator and is responsible for the distribution of the benefit, while for the conventional life, nominee is entitled to the insurance benefit.
Assalamualaikum and Hi, my name is Madya Binti and my metric number is 272790. So I will present about the development and performance of family Takaful business in Malaysia. So in this content, it has family Takaful trend and opportunity. So firstly, I will talk about family Takaful trend. As we know, Takaful industry is one of pioneers and dynamic development. However, the Takaful in Malaysia of national market penetration is only 10.9% out of 53.5% of the entire insurance industry in our country. This is because the trend can affect or influenced by the determinant factors. However, the Malaysian Takaful industry has continued its growth to acquire new family Takaful protection. For an example, the new family Takaful protection value has increased 14% compared to corresponding period in 2019. Therefore, the trend has developed growth through the years and it encouraged more people about the family Takaful awareness. So next, I will talk about family Takaful opportunity. So why the family Takaful trend has become growth through the years? It is because the opportunity that has been brought is focusing on alternative for life insurance. As we can see, family Takaful life system has been applied in Southeast Asia, particularly in Malaysia, which is anticipated to get different showcase activities and upgrade the supportability of the Takaful industry within the economy. The change that has been brought can effective intervention for a high value added and high income economy. It also can financial inclusion for more prominent share success and internalization of Islamic bank, the regulatory and increasing the measure of administration and risk management. We can see the development of family Takaful business is influenced by the age, education, and income level. Therefore, the Takaful administrator are opting to offer immaculate protection term items to coordinate the wants of the different customer fragments. That's all. Thank you.
So, this is the determining factors of family Takaful demand in Malaysia. The first factors is income. Income is the ownership of Islamic insurance Takaful can be influenced by an individual's income level. The differences in income or its variable has been identified as significantly affecting life insurance or family Takaful demand. So, when income increases, the insurance will become more affordable. Also, the demand for the family Takaful and life insurance will increase as well. The second is education, awareness and knowledge on Takaful. Takaful product dependent on the customer's current knowledge and understanding of how insurance or any other financial service or product can benefit or fulfill certain needs. Despite lack of awareness about insurance and close relatives and friends not making suggestions on the purchase of insurance product are being viewed as two of the most important barriers to the purchase of health and life insurance. So the higher the public awareness on Takaful product, the higher the likelihood of them purchases medical coverage.
Next, I would like to present about the determinant factor of family Takaful in Malaysia. First, religious adherence. The next is performance of Takaful operator. Religious adherence means as being faithful to one's religion. There are some main reasons why this factor increased the demand for family Takaful. The first one is identification of halal investment source. Individuals who receive higher formal religious education, faith and belief. Existence of an Islamic compliance system, Sharia principle, where there is a free from element of gharar, maisir and riba. population of Muslim religion in Malaysia, obligatory Islamic practices, buying takaful with intention of worshipping Allah may attract a reward from Allah. The last one is highly recommended non-obligatory Islamic practices. Performance of family takaful. There are some main reasons why this factor increase the demand for family takaful. First, good and highly motivated, well-endowed agents reflect the trustworthiness of the potential customer. Takaful operator bringing up the image for Takaful industry, educating the customer as well, servicing them. They perform a web risk management efficiency, service quality, larger the number of active agents will offer wider access to the public, a fair and fast action in processing claims and willingness to provide consultation when needed. And the last one is Takaful operator competing among themselves for the same market but also neck to neck with conventional insurance companies as in a dual financial system landscape. Thank you.
The other determinant factors is marketing and advertising. This is because the marketing and advertising can effectively influence the consumer in growth of family takaful demand. It is because it can affect the customer's buying behavior because they want to get clear information and the best advertise of this family takaful contract. However, the marketing advancements of any item or administration that give a wrong dream or information is entirely illegal in Islam. The product and its benefit is the determinant factors that can influence family takaful demand. Based on researcher, the benefit of most product features is education plan and followed by medical coverage. The takaful puts forward the advantage of yielding returns with assurance from unexpected dangers. This is the benefit of family takaful business. Other than that, family takaful products give members future savings that members not only contribute to their life assurance, but at the same time, it is also for venture or investment. The takaful business is endowment policy which give protection to their participants and beneficiaries in terms of policy money and profit from the investment.
Hi, my name is Norlida Binti Abdul Manab. My metric number is 255918. I will present about age and reputation and image of family takaful firm factor. Age affect the demand of family takaful because an increase in age indicate a higher positive attitude toward insurance, and people who are toward the end of an active life are more conscious of life after retirement. Old people also found to be more aware of takaful, and those aged between 26 to 40 indicate to have great awareness of family takaful. According to the Department of Statistics Malaysia, people who are in the 50 to 64 years age is considered as labor force. The labor force participant rate in Malaysia risen by 0.3 percent point to 68.4% compared to July 2020, which is 68.1%. This economically means that the request for family takaful also will rise as the percentage of this group rise. This is because they are having income and they can afford to purchase the family takaful as a future protection for themselves and their dependents. Next factor is reputation and image of takaful firm. The firm's reputation and image has recognized as a significant factor affecting the purchasing intention of the customer because customer used to ensure that the takaful firm operate accordingly to Islamic Sharia before making a choice to purchase the family takaful. Around 32.4% of people choose reputation as their reason for selecting the takaful firm. This means that a good reputation and image of takaful firm can influence the people to get the family takaful. People tend to purchase family takaful with takaful firm that have a good reputation and image because of its honesty toward customer concerning the service and quality of the product provided to the customer. It also because customers have the right to know exactly how Takaful firm manage their money and what type of benefit they will receive. Despite the Malaysian family Takaful market has been enjoying relatively strong growth, it also faces challenges in numerous aspects. First challenges is low penetration rate. Family Takaful market penetration rate is still relatively low among B40, with only 30.3% owning a policy, and it does not reach the potential market. The penetration rate was low among B40 is due to the affordability. Family Takaful business also facing challenge in maintaining its current family Takaful participants. This because various family Takaful participants submit the certificate every year, and it happens maybe because lack of customer trust, commitment and loyalty in family Takaful. Talent and manpower shortage are long-standing challenge in Malaysia family Takaful sector because the Takaful industry face a serious shortage of skilled employees who are able to fully understand both concept of professional insurance and have sufficient knowledge of Islamic law and finance. It is a challenge nowadays to get employee with that necessary skill. There are several recommendations that may be considered to overcome the challenge and increase the demand for family takaful in Malaysia. Firstly, more effort should be made to educate potential customers and to encourage the demand for family takaful market. Among the effort that can be tried is by implementing takaful education syllabus at the school and college level with the objective to teach young generation regarding the importance of having financial protection. This effort will not only contribute to understanding of takaful but also increase upcoming takaful penetration rate. Besides that, to attract more and maintaining the customer, the takaful company must operate in accordance with the requirement of Sharia principle, keep promise and provide quality service to enhance the customer trust. Lastly, as to minimize the talent shortage gap, players in the industry must perform a major part in the design and strategizing of human resource. For example, like by offering competitive remunerations. Thank you.
As the conclusion, family takaful is an insurance scheme that is operated and accepted by Islamic law. Therefore, income, education, awareness and knowledge on takaful, a religious adherence, the performance of takaful operators, marketing and advertising product and its benefits, age and reputation or and income and image are some determinants factors of family takaful demand in Malaysia identified that may improve takaful market development in the country. So that's all from my group. Thank you.